So I wanted to do another little video for graphing calculator because Desmos doesn't really do the 3D graphing calculator that we need for a system of three equations, so that I can show you what this looks like. So this is a 3D graphing calculator. So if we look at this, normally what we see is this, and we see that blue dot because that's the arrow coming right at us. So this would be x and y. Well, when we add x, y, and z, what that's saying is that now we have this other amount here, which we can call depth. Okay, so now I have x, I have y, and I have this z that's going from forward and back. So I have three different dimensions to deal with instead of just two. So now if I go back and we were working on an equation with 3x plus y minus z equals 3, so that would be the equation. So this is what that first one looks like when I type it in. So it's a plane, and it looks like this. Because it's being connected over 3 dimensions, it creates a plane. So now I have negative x plus 2y plus z equals 0. So here's the second plane, and I'm going to change the color on that. Let's see, can I change it? Settings, color. I want to change it just to a different color. It changed? Oh, I unclicked it, that's why. Okay, so now we can very clearly see that they are kind of corresponding to each other. They're interacting, and it's spinning now because I've left it spinning, so I'll let it keep spinning there. And we have a third equation, 5x plus 2y plus 3z equals negative 2. So I'm going to go back to settings real quick. I just want to change that color one more time. Let's see. We'll make this guy green. All right. So now we can see that they're intersecting. They're coming together. But they're coming together actually at one point. I added this point up here so you can see the blue dot now where they're intersecting. And you can see I just added that off to the side there where it says a equals 3, negative 1, 5. So you can see that's the point where they come together. So that can be very helpful, but it's difficult to see on the graph. So that's a very big reason why we use the system that we use with elimination and substitution and things like that, because it is very difficult to identify on a graph when you're using the 3 variables.